How to link ClickUp and then Slack. So to start, the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and then search for clickup.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go on this profile names account. What we need to do is to tap on this one, and then after that, tap on the apps option, and then in here, we'll have to go on this app center. After that, it will show you all the featured applications here on ClickUp. What we need to do is to scroll down, and then in here, we'll have to tap on Slack. After that, you will now see this option, create a personal connection. What we need to do is to tap on this connect option. And then in here, as you can see, ClickUp is now requesting permission to access my Slack workspace. What we need to do is to tap on this allow option. And then after that, we'll just have to wait for a little. And as you can see, my ClickUp is now connected to my Slack. And then if I want to disconnect ClickUp and Slack, all I need to do is to tap on these three dots and then simply tap on this disconnect option. So that's how easy we can link ClickUp and then Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.